Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Rio Ferdinand don't come as I can't see the talk say Arsenal will still win the league. Say Arsenal are still favorites for your own book you get, because you can't always play attractive football. You can't always play perfect football. From the way they see how Arsenal they lose against Everton yesterday, say that one no still mean you get. Say if they happen like that, instead of don't play ball before. So sometimes you play beautifully and you still lose. Even like part of the sentence as they talk yesterday you get. So Baba see they reiterate say despite what happened that place, the Arsenal are still in your favorite because every other person will still face that kind of thing. Imagine yesterday, I think Wolves beat Liverpool 3-0. Who expected that to happen again? So nobody saw that coming. As in Liverpool capitulate like a pack of cards, nobody understand what's in the wrong with them. So today now, don't forget that Spurs go play against Man City, so we'll keep a keen eye and see what will happen for that match. I know say Man City go dey incentivized, they go dey energized to make sure say they win, to cut the deficit between we and them, because we are still 5 points ahead of them and two of us don't play I think 20 matches again, so it remain 19 I'll be 18 for the two of us to play because of 38 matches. So if them play now, they go dey one match ahead of us again. So if them win, they will go dey 2 points ahead of them. We will come add more pressure and the media space go they lit up with fire against. Even that yesterday said best Spurs they already come out Arsenal as favorites to win the league. Come put Man City to win the league because we don't lose one game again. So now so it happen, and so different things will change. That's why I keep saying let's be humble and take it game after game. We never come out with our full chest to say we won't win the league. So it is what it is. So yesterday, so Arsenal lost against Everton 1-0, and not because we just lose. We would have the way and manner we didn't lose that match because we lost woefully, because we played badly. In short, for the first half, a lot of our players were missing. No Odegaard gets, because nobody say Odegaard knows how to play, but the way they mark him, then gang up against Odegaard, gang up against Bukayo Saka. In short, that Everton side they really worked so hard. That's why we check the middle of the back. Because people like Madonana, Dakore, you get, and Ghana. They have so many Africans with so much energy. Middle of the back. Then outmuscle. Partey was missing in that match. Again. So many players. Nketiah was missing because he couldn't have the normal supply that he used to have. For me, the people will play very well in our defense, because you see that first half we played badly. That first half we supposed to don't concede like 3-0 for that first half alone, because the second half we played better than the first half. First half, nothing, no biting, nothing. Like Martinelli himself no even say one-on-one, make him go forward, just go back, they waste time on the ball. So we play badly, so we lose, we say we don't lose. There is no excuse, no blame anybody. It happen like this. This is our second loss of the season. And not to say many fans when they come outside, they blame Arsenal, they blame Arteta, they blame this one, blame that one. This is not the time for us to lay blames against. We dey win together, we dey win before Abi. And here this is our second loss again. So we'll just take him in good strides. Leave him. Believe say we go play better next match. Next match they play against Brentford. After Brentford we'll come play against Man City again. So things like this they happen. When Brentford beats Man City in God, so things like this they happen, and it will soon happen again. That's one thing you need to understand. You can't win all your matches. Now every the team where you're fighting and they talk. You can't play perfect football. You can't play that beautiful tiki-taka that you used to know Arsenal for all the time. So it happen like that. So no call they complain. Even Gabriel Magalhaes don't come outside for the media space. All the talk say we win together, we lose together. You get, so now normal thing. Some people know they cry over spilled milk. They thank all the supporters and say our full focus is going to go on Saturday. You get, we'll go play against Brentford. So everybody need to understand. Say normal, you go lose sometimes, you get, and sometimes you go play badly. I think against Leeds when we went to Elland Road, we played badly and we won. You get, so it happen like this. So we'll just take them in good tidings. So let's proceed. Even for the media setting after the match, so Arteta self come outside, call the talk, say this is the time for you to show more love to the players. If you love the players 100% before, after this loss, you need to show them 110% of love, because you need to carry them up as they're falling down. You raise them up. This is not the time to be casting aspersions. So they complain, they shall say this one they bad, this one they bad. Okay, this one don't carry bad love from Chelsea. They come. This one don't. Leave all those primordial sentiments, leave them outside. This is the time for you to encourage the boys because they did not do well collectively. No be say you go, no, this one no be match where you go single out one person say, now this person I spoiled the whole match. Collectively, do you know what it means for Arteta to pull out Odegaard before 90 minutes? Odegaard did not even play up for 60 minutes. Not be 59 minutes and 15 minutes and change them. Do you know what it means for Arteta to bring out Thomas Partey? No be say Partey get injury, no be say he do anything. For you don't know they were playing woefully. For them to bring them out, say, Omo, when I come aside. Oh yeah, Fabi Vieira, enter. Let's say Fabi Vieira now 70-something minutes that put down and say, but all those guys party there, they come out there early. Say, when I come outside, all those guys Martinelli, oh yeah, come outside. You know what it means? Because we're playing woefully, they play where they'll come out them. So that's what it means. Because that place, and another thing where people know what I'm saying, we check my morning podcast, I give you the history of the Goodison Park. We don't go the last 5 times. We lost 3, we drew 1, and we won 1. So with the hope so we will break history. I told you history is meant to be broken, and we were planning to break the history, but Everton said not today. This history is going to be kept. So now till next season, before we come here again, try without we break our jinx for this place. So it happen like that. Some teams will be your boogie team. Anytime we will meet, they will just be right, they will play well, despite their form. Because these people in the last 8 games they were disastrous. They were playing beautiful nonsense, but against us, see how they come perform. See that rejuvenation, see that energy. Well, it is what it is. It happen. Yeah, right, sir. Don't come outside, call the talk. Say make everybody give Sean Dyche in flowers. Say the man deserve to win. You get the way they set up against Arsenal, they play 4-5-1, but at the same time they just the attack us, and they were using long ball tactics. Now the same tactics which Sean Dyche they use when he did for Burnley, you get, and that tactics it work against us. If you check the match we play against Man City, people now understand that our defensive midfield is very, very solid. All those Partey waiting for that midfield, they are very, very solid. So what they do is to overpass that defensive midfield by long balls. If you check that Man City match, Man City cannot even match our press. So the thing they can do is to bypass our press by using long ball to Haaland. That's essentially what Everton self can do. Everton were using the long ball to Dominic Calvert-Lewin. They were not down to other people. That was what they were doing. So, and I believe say other teams self will look at tactics because people go to look for your weaknesses, to look for areas so they will exploit to make sure so they defeat you. So make they understand all this is now our job to make sure so we counter all those things now and give them another dimension, because now even much work for them to call the gang up against our players and be doing long ball, because when they do the long ball, nobody know who go fit get the second ball. So and then when they get almost all the second balls, so that's what it is. Well, but they move on. However, for the Goodison Park, you go see Zinchenko at the end of the match, so Arteta can't drag him out because the guy won't fight, the guy they para again, he won't talk some kind of things to some players because they get issue. But that 90-something minutes, all they say Arteta drag him out of the Goodison Park field, making them go collect card, come collect red card, join up. So everybody they angry, the boys are sad, but I believe say Arteta no go give them too much talk. They happen once in a while. It's just our second loss again, so they happen. So just lift them up. Check out our fans. Check out how vocal they were again. Even though they lose, they were singing, they were chanting, trying to uplift the morale and the spirits of the boys. Whereas we now will they castigate them, because they no, they happen a beg. No, just free them. You get, go get patience. You get, easy. This football thing, do very, very easy. You get. So my own be say all these people they talk about Chelsea. Jojo is now our player. He's no longer a Chelsea player. Leave all those Chelsea moments. Free Chelsea, you get. Support our own players. Give them support, love and support. Say they don't lose. Fine, it's painful. Yes, I know we are all emotionally invested in this thing. It is painful, but it happen. You can't win all your games. We are not the invisibles, you get. So let's proceed. The referee of the match don't come and when they explain why Gabriel Magalhaes don't even get penalty for the match. So you got to see that Gabriel Magalhaes now initiates contact. That is why he no give penalty for that match. So for all those they call for penalty, say that one no fit work, say possible. Get. So me I don't hear the explanation. Well, that one don't say spoil. More move on. PS Morgan said don't come outside, come the para in you. Why they talk say we've been bullied. We've been bullied by a worse team. You get say at this rate, say they should say Arsenal will win the league title. You see why I talked yesterday for that live update. So I talked say we will reduce our expectation, because I know say all of us now don't forget say initially we want to start for this league that top 4 now so the final. God so kind. We can't be in the position where we say we put the aspire, we put the project, say okay, we can win the league. So people want to use that, hey, we're gonna win the league. Fine. I think the best thing for us to do now is to put our mind for the top 4. Focus on the top 4. If we win the league peradventure at the end of the day, fine and all good. but we could reduce the expectation, because I think overbloating our expectation, exaggerating it to a very, very high pedestal, you get, can come back and affect our mental health. That's what I'm saying. So for the sake of your mental health, focus on your top 4 ambition. Then whatever happens in the future, may God just take control. So that's what me I go advise you now, for the sake of your mental health. Alright, one of our community members, so that they call CHUKS, Manuel, today na him birthday. So Baba, happy birthday. Wish you all the best things life has to offer. Even Baba send me back, say make I go use and flex myself on the birthday. So I say, anyway, take some money to bless us. May God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. Amen. So Baba, enjoy your day. Nothing to do, you get him out. Then away from that, so Ateta can come outside the challenge Fabio Vieira, say make the guy do more for training. Not just Fabio Vieira. If you know you want to start for the Arsenal team, you need to do more in training so that you can get your stats and you can play very, very well in the first 11. And I believe say the guy going to use in tongue the counting things, because Ateta did them with them for training and they see what's in the happen. So if you train well, Baba will put you. And so we can't wait for Gabriel Jesus to also come back and contribute to the team. You get sometimes, because this in case now we don't play every game. Time go reach now, the guy will suffer from burnout because he never played this type of regular football. Imagine playing the league, playing the cup, playing the Europa League, playing everything, only you. The guy go burn out now. So if you don't face burnout already, who knows? Another thing we'll call a year, we say Asensio agents don't fly. Okay, you go fly to London next week, you get, to discuss with some kind of London teams where they're interested in signing him. And you know, say Asensio now get less than 6 months on his contract, so in they eligible to sign pre-contract with any club where they're interested in signing him. And one of the clubs where the agent will want to discuss with for England, because now London they come gone. So now Arsenal, you get, so everybody doesn't Arsenal won't speak with, but me I just widen the scope, because from what I'm hearing, nobody Arsenal they're interested in the guy, so they won't come discuss. Because from what I hear before, they say Real Madrid won't offer him contract, but they say he want me they increase the £118,000 per week in the end. But Real Madrid, I think they are reluctant to do so, because it's not a regular. You get, it's like maybe third, pecking order of starters. So I don't know what's in there for in mind. And you know, say Ateta self get fine relationship with the guy, let that like and gone, he gets. So I don't know whether I go swap the Santiago Bernabeu for the Emirates, and whether I go on that place, because he has so many options on the table. So we'll just keep a keen eye and watch how all these things happen. Now summer transfer will be ahead of when we play Champions League football, so that we'll get multiple dimensions, have people on the wings, and have enough squad depth to cover us again. So my dear football lovers, if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.